I am going to teach you your chatbot setting and how it would help you grow your business. So let's start. Start on our bots menu page, click on edit, and then just locate settings in the left side corner of your screen. And right, so first I will start with general. So refresh permissions. So basically these are the URL that you use in your flow. So you have to paste it here before using it on a conversation flow so that it will direct to a link. So first I will show you an example. Go to automation, and I created a sample flow here and just edit flow. So here you have to select the block, and I just put in this kind of option right here and select actions and open website. So here you have to paste the website that you want to be opened with this button, but also in the web view size, take note that you have to put it on a 100%, because if you select native, then they will be redirected to open a new tab. But if you click on this 100%, then they will just open it on your AhaChat website. I mean on your bot's site itself. So let's try. I will copy the link of the page and paste it here. So add, right, and save changes. Now let's see what will happen with that. So I will test it on Messenger. Right, so I received the message and I click on open website. Okay, so as you can see, it doesn't open the website that we had just pasted because it is not in our settings set. Okay, so this time we'll try copying the link first before attaching it to our flow. So for example, I want them to be redirected on this page, so just copy and paste the URL here and click on enter. Right, so click the button, this button right here. Right, so said it was successful. So let's try it again on automation. Repeat the same steps that we did earlier. And go to this one, edit flow, and open website. So I will delete the action that I added first and add another website. Okay. And you can also edit this again, so 100%, and save changes. Right, so let's try if it will work this time. Click on Test on Messenger. And so click the actions again, open the website, and there, paste the URL and click on add, and also edit this into 100%. So add and save changes. Okay, so now let's test it on Messenger again. Alright, so let's see if this would work. Okay, so this is the site. Okay, so here you will see that you will be redirected to the Google flow already. I'm in the Google web page because we already pasted the URL in the settings. Okay, so now let's proceed to the other settings. So here, the bot time zone. So on this one, this is the time setting that is being followed by your bot. So you can find your country's time here and just click on update. Okay. Next is the broadcasting API token. So this is like a program code, and you can clone this bot, and you will see the cloned bot in the bot's menu page, and also you can share it here. Just simply copy the link and paste it, okay? Next is the greeting text. So this is the first thing that your user will see when they open the messenger. So you can add a simple message like this, and you can change it anytime, okay? Next is for the automation. This is where you can turn your bot on and off. So you will find the same setting in the bots. There you can also, the bots menu page, you can also turn on and off the bot there. So next is the sync AhaChat tag to Facebook label. So this one is pretty self-explanatory and you can also toggle it on and off. Next is the hide comments. So if for any reason you want to hide the comments on your page, you can do it here. So you have the option to hide all the comments, or you can filter it according to this one. So those who have phone numbers or the keywords, just be sure to enter the exact keyword here. And here you can schedule like the bot will show the comments again after an hour or even days of hiding it. So like this. Okay. Now we'll proceed to roles. So on this one, if you will remember, I already taught this in the auto inbox. So you just have to click on invite right there. And you have to choose which role and just send them to your friend or your admin. So you can find it here. Okay, so just like this, they can receive a link just like this. Okay, so next is keywords. Okay, so here, this is to stop your bot after someone enters a keyword. So, for example, you want to stop the bot after receiving a foul or curse word, you can input it here. Okay, so after 24 hours, the bot will function again just the same. Okay, or also you can add a block here. So I added, for example, someone enters hi, and they will be directed to this flow that you had created in automation. Okay, so next is the menu. Okay, so now for the menu, so this is the 3-line menu in Messenger. So I will show you. It's this one, this part right here. Okay, and we can edit it. For example, here I added an open form menu. So if they open the web form, they will be redirected to the survey form that I did in Growth. So you also have other options. Like for example, you can change the name here, and then first is the open submenu. So you can add more options here. Next is jump. They will be redirected to a flow. So you just choose your flow here. Next is the open website. So you can just paste your URL here and of course change the web view setting and also the open web form just like I had shown earlier. Okay, so let's try it. So here in the menu, open form. Alright, so this is the same survey form that I had attached in the settings, okay? So just like that. So next is for the integrations. In integrations, these are the information that your customer will receive when you send them an email. So you just have to enter your details here. So email, name, and this option right here, you can leave it at this it. And then username and of course the password. And I will just enter my password first and then we will proceed to a flow in automation, okay? Okay, so here in automation, you can select a block here, which is send email, right? Just like this same. And then you can edit. Okay, so just like this, you can edit the email just like a normal email setting, okay? So next we will proceed to the settings again. Now I just skip this part and the integration part. So here you can see all the advanced customer relationship management tools. So all of these are free from AhaChat and you can add it on your flows. So these tools right here can improve your interaction with a potential customer. Okay, so next we'll go to shopping. So here in shopping, remember that in the web form, we can also make a shopping form. So in this growth right here, you can add it here. So when a customer fills it up, you can monitor their order right here. So first is you can set the currency into US dollars. So here you can enter the messages on how you want to inform them if their order is being delivered or cancelled. So for example, I will try entering a message. Hi, so I just had entered simple messages here, notices. So here you can also add the attributes so that your message will be more personalized. Okay, so next we'll proceed to notifications. So here you can turn the notification sound on and off. So when you're having a request to chat with a human or when you're having new messages, so you can hear the notification sound also and monitor it in the live chat section. Next is the spark right here is when they are entering an invalid input. So this is what your bot will say. For example, you ask them for their telephone number, but they provided their name instead, then this is what your bot will say. And also you can edit it like this. You can personalize the messages if you want it to be formal or funny or however it is. And next is here is you can also set how many times your bot will respond if they entered an invalid input. So let's try on automation how this works. So I will use the telephone one. So remember this is the message. So let's see. And just go to sample flow and validate input flow that I created earlier. And enter phone. So here I ask them to enter their phone number, input type is telephone, and the actions is set to attribute. So I had set the attribute to phone. So remember also in the attribute that you can select if they should input a text or a number. So it will also reflect in here. So take the input validation. So let's try save changes. So test on messenger. Okay, so I already received the message. So it says here that I should enter my phone number, but let's see what would happen if I entered letters instead. So for example, okay, so just the same with the notification in the settings. So they will receive a message like this, okay? So right, so that is how you use the settings. So I hope it can help you utilize your bot. So check out the other videos if you have more questions and see ya.